Are you ready to pass your driving test in Australia? Whether you are in Victoria, New South Wales, Queensland, or anywhere else, this video will guide you step by step from preparing to passing so you can finally get the license in your hands. Let's dive right in. In Australia, you go through a graduated licensing system, which means you don't get your full license right away. You start with a learner's permit, then move on to a provisional license, and finally a full license. Here is how it works. First, you pass a written knowledge test on road rules. Then you complete your logbook hours, usually 120 hours of driving, including 20 hours at night if you are under 21. After that, you will take the hazard perception test in some states. And finally, the big one, the practical driving test. Let's talk about how to prepare before the test day. Step 1. Learn the road rules. Get your hands on your state's road rules book. In Victoria, it's called the Road to Solo Driving. Study giveaway rules, speed limits, school zones, and roundabouts. Step 2. Log your practice hours. Practice in all kinds of conditions, at night, in the rain, on highways, and in busy streets. Use a logbook app if your state has one, like the Vic Roads Learner app in Victoria. Step 3. Get driving lessons. A professional instructor will help you fix your weak spots, and in some states, 1 hour with a licensed instructor can count as 3 logbook hours up to a certain limit. Step 4. Practice around the test center. Drive in the exact area where you will take your test. Learn the streets, speed zones, tricky intersections, and common test routes. What to expect during the test? On test day, the driving test usually lasts 30 to 45 minutes. It's broken into 2 parts. Number 1, basic driving skills. Number 2, on-road assessment. You will be on vehicle safety check like blinker and wipers, starting and stopping smoothly, steering control, parking like reverse parallel, angle parking, or 3-point turns, observation and blind spot check, following signs, obeying speed limits, safe turning, merging, and gap selection. Common mistakes that can fail you. Here are the most common mistakes that lead to failure, so avoid them at all costs. Not checking your blind spots, failing to give way, speeding or going too slow, not stopping completely at stop signs, mounting the curb while parking, taking too long at intersections, misreading road signs, poor mirror use, or not scanning ahead. Pro tips to pass. Here are some pro tips to help you pass confidently. Check your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds. Always do a head check before changing lanes or turning. Signal early, at least 3 seconds before turning. Scan intersections even if you have right of way. Adjust speed for the weather or road conditions. And most importantly, stay calm, take a deep breath, and focus. After the test, if you pass, congratulations. You will get your P plates, also called a provisional license. Just remember, there are still rules like zero alcohol, no phone use, restrictions on high-powered vehicles. If you don't pass, don't worry, the examiner will give you feedback and you can rebook after a short waiting period. State-specific tips. Here is quick look at few state-specific tips. In Victoria, Vic Roads examiner focus heavily on blind spot check. In New South Wales, the test is scored with fail and immediate fail items. In Queensland, they watch your gap selection and speed control closely. In Western Australia, The PDA might include a short freeway drive. And in other states like South Australia, Tasmania, and ACT, the rules are similar. But always double check your local authority guidelines. That's everything you need to know to pass your driving test in Australia. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides. And remember, it's not just about passing, it's about becoming a safe, confident, and responsible driver. Good luck on your test.